Dwayne starts off with a new chapter, doing different topics and discussing different issues in and around the world. He also states that he's fully functional, and as people could see from him dancing, his body functions properly.
Beginning of my video, a lot of you see that I am fully functioning. I'm not a handicap. So to all of the people who says I'm handicapped, I'm this and I'm that, like, get a grip. Thank God you're not handicapped. Thank God you're not disabled. Thank God all of your limbs and all of your joints and every part of your body functions. Thank God. Give God all the glory and all the praises, okay? And stop trying to tear down other people with disabilities. Like, some of you people have no morals nor principles. A condom could have saved you people. A condom could have saved you people from all of this nonsense. I'm not taking it back either. And if you want to feel like I'm throwing shade at you, I am throwing shade. I really am. But I'm not throwing no harsh shade. You know, I'm just throwing constructive shade. Constructive shade. Because I'm somewhat the shade master. And I like dash me look at what them pan people, and who don't like my word, turn a blind eye and don't listen. See and blind, ear and deaf. My granny used to say, see and blind, ear and deaf. Big up Lorima anyway there. Mama, I know you're somewhere in heaven right now. Love you endlessly. I wish you were still here with us. You know, I miss you so much, my grandma. Only one of my grandmas still alive. 2 of my grandpas died and one of my grandmas died. Big up, RG, big up, big up. But yeah, to all of you people who feels you can come on social media and think for a millisecond you are dehumanizing or mocking someone with a disability. Thank God all of your limbs are in order. Thank God you don't have none. Praise God. To God be the glory. You have no disability on the face of the sun. You know? But never say never. One day when I can go to bed, I'm gonna get knocked over. Let's talk about drugs and the effects. Call me, Teresa. Let's talk about it. Drugs and the effect. Yes, absolutely. That is a damn good topic.
On the video.
Because honestly, I remember at a point in my life, let's talk about drugs. That is a damn good topic.